Welcome to this quick guide on how to use the BookOne Booking Engine. In just a few steps, you'll learn how to check availability, book a room, and complete your payment with ease. Open your web browser and visit your property's website that is integrated with the BookOne Booking Engine. And click on the Check Availability button to search for available rooms at your property. Once the results are displayed, click on your hotel's official website link to go to the booking engine page. Now on the booking engine page, choose your check-in and check-out dates and select the number of guests. Then, click Check Availability. Available room options will be displayed here. Click the Book button for the room you prefer. A booking summary pop-up will appear. Click on Review Booking Details to view and confirm your booking. Now enter your details like your name, email, phone number, and any notes for the property. Once your details are filled, click the Pay Now button to proceed with the payment. If you wish to cancel the payment, click the cross icon. A feedback form will appear. You can choose to provide feedback or click Skip Feedback. Then click Back to return to the property's homepage. And that's it. Booking your stay with BookOne official website is simple, quick, and efficient. Thank you for choosing BookOne.